All right, we're going to play a game. Ruhi, if you are an animal, what animal would you be?
Peppa.
Peppa Pig. Yash, if you were an animal, what would you be?
Peppa.
You would be what?
Peppa.
You would be Peppa Park? Okay. And if Dada was an animal, he would be?
Yeah, elephant.
What?
Elephant.
Thanks so much. Thank you. You made me an elephant. Oh,
Hello, elephant.
I'm crying now. Bye. Toodles. God. Come on, let's get out of here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Your hair is white. You are like a Buddha.
What? My hair has become white and I'm looking like a Buddha, but what do? I can't color my hair. It's lockdown time. Yash, I'm looking like a Buddha.
Yes. You can't go over because coronavirus.
Yes, I can't go because of coronavirus. Thank you so much for informing me. I'm very well aware. Excuse me, Yash. I am leaving this closet and I suggest you do the same. Where are you taking this?
London.
To London? Okay, well, lucky you because there's no flights going there. Bye, Yash. Thank you. See you. Heathrow welcomes you with open arms. Oh, God. Come on. Listen, guys. Come on. Let's go. Yash, why are you holding this? Oh, my God.
This is Freddy.
This is what? I don't know why you're holding this. I'm very embarrassed. We have two very talented musicians in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Yash and Ruhi. Here goes. Excuse me. 1 minute. Time out. Do you have something more melodious you can sing? रुकावट के लिए खेद है, but this is not good for anyone's sensibilities. Toodles! Wow, we're eating burgers today, Ruhi. Yash, even Dada wants to eat.
No, you will get fat.
I'll become fat if I have a burger. Mama, are you saying the same thing to Mama as well? Mama also... Mama, I think he's telling us not to eat these burgers because he says we'll become fat.
Who will become fat, Baba?
Dada.
Dada will become fat? No, Mama's fat.
No, Mama's healthy. And Dada is also healthy. Ruhi, what do you think of Dada?
Nothing.
Huh? What?
Nothing.
Nothing you think of Dada? Oh God. Okay, I better go back to my low morale self. Excuse me, what is this you're holding? Whose kurta?
Mama kurta.
This is not Mama's kurta. This is Dada's kurta. This Dada's friend Manish Malhotra has made for me. You think this is Mama's kurta?
Yeah.
No, don't say that to Dada, please. Bye. This is a man's kurta. See, man. Man's kurta, not Mama's kurta. Bye. Bye. Okay, whatever. Such a bye she's given me, like, get out of my face. Ruhi, why are you holding these balloons?
We are back.
Yash, why are you holding the balloons?
We are back.
We are back. Lockdown with the Johars are back. See you soon. Excuse me, what are you all doing in my shower? What? What? You're telling me I'm dirty, I should have a bath? Excuse me, where are you going, Yash? Where are you going, Ruhi?
I'm fed up.
You're fed up? And Yash, are you also fed up?
No, I cried.
You're also fed up. So you all are leaving? Are you all leaving the house and running away?
Yeah.
Oh God, we'll miss you. Bye.
Bye.
Toodles. Okay, bye. I don't know where they are going, but they are going. Bye. Bye. Lovely. Yeah.
In the garden.
Ruhi is wearing a garden.
You not saying so.
Ruhi, are you wearing a garden in your hair?
No, it's hairband.
It's a hairband, but Yash is calling it a garden. Meanwhile, we don't know what your mama is wearing. Mama, can you explain this particular piece of jewelry that is looking rather... I don't want to use the word. What do you have to say about it in your defense?
You can say what you want, and there's nothing in my defense.
Nothing. Are you being very belligerent about my thoughts about your hairband and your hairpiece?
I think it's very nice.
Yash, you think what Mama's wearing is nice? No, na? Even I don't think so.
Baba say yes.
Okay, here now. Rui, you like what Mama's wearing?
Yeah.
You like what Mama's wearing? Well, obviously, because look at what you're wearing. This and the dhokla, it's looking rather in contrast. Wow, we're dancing. Yeah. Even Dada's dancing.
You are not dancing. You are very kadab in dancing.
You're very kharab. I'm kharab in dancing. Yash, I'm kharab in dancing.
No, yes.
I'm also, I'm really fed up. I'm kharab in dancing. I'm kharab in singing. What am I good for, Rui? What am I good for?
Yes.
I'm good for Yash. I produced Yash. That's my big talent. And Yash, what do you think is my strength? Say something nice about Dada. Clearly, he has nothing nice to say. Okay, bye-bye. That's all he has to say to me. What you're eating, Yash? Everyone's complaining you're only eating save.
Potato chips.
You're eating potato chips. Acha, okay. And what are you eating? Huh?
Spicy one and potato chips.
Potato chips.
And spicy.
And
sauce.
what are you eating? I hope you're not eating any potato chips.
No, I might look like one, but I'm having a salami sandwich.
All right, okay. That's very elegant of you. And what are you going to eat for dinner today? Huh?
Chicken.
Chicken you're going to eat, huh? And you?
Roti.
You're going to eat? Broccoli you're going to eat? Wow. Mera healthy bachcha broccoli khayega. And what do you think Dada should eat for dinner?
French fries.
I should eat French fries. That's the last thing I should be eating. Say no to carbohydrates for me, but it's absolutely okay for you. Say toodles. Toodles.
I love chicken.
Who is making noise?
You.
I'm making noise. But I was singing a song. Should I not sing a song?
No.
Why?
I don't like it.
You don't like my song? Mama, even you don't like my song.
No, I don't like it at all.
Okay, can I try singing one more song? Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Okay, I'm singing one song. Channa mere ya, channa mere ya, channa mere ya, Beli.
No. Nada, no.
But I really like singing, so what do I do about it? Okay. Mama, do you have a suggestion of what I should do about my singing? Mama?
I think it's something that is given at birth.
No.
That I don't have it, you think? The ability to sing.
Because even your father didn't have it, but you were still better than your father.
Okay, bye. Excuse me, what are y'all looking like? What is this?
Stupid.
You're you are saying it's stupid? You think Dada looks stupid in these glasses?
I'm stupid.
You are not stupid. I think Dada is stupid to have bought these glasses. Okay, toodles.
Stupid.
Bye. Yash, you want to see Dada's movies? Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and all?
No, it's very boring.
What? But why? Why? Please see Dada's movies. Oh God, such a mess you all have made of everything. You ate the cake, Yash. Who got you this cake?
Dada.
Wow. And what did Mama get for you? Huh? What did Mama get? She what?
No, Mama got lollipop.
Mama got you lollipop. Mama's looking like a lollipop also right now. Mama, what a lovely little lollipop you're looking like. I love it.
Strawberry?
You're looking like a strawberry? Okay, we'll call you that. Do you think Mama's looking like a strawberry?
Dada makes you tea.
Huh, what?
I make you tea like that.
You'll mix your tea with this dirty chamach? Not at all. Please, you cannot. Why do you want to ruin Dada's tea? Are you thinking Mummy is looking like a strawberry, Ruhi?
No.
Now, meaning what do you think she's looking like?
A spider.
A spider? Mama, she has called you a spider.
I don't know what I will become.
But why has she called you a spider? Wow, we're having our lunch. Wow, Ruhi, what you eating?
You are tummy.
I have a tummy. So what are you saying? That I should not be eating? I should not eat because I have a tummy? That's very mean. Why are you saying such mean things to your dada? Huh? You're even imitating that dada has a tummy. You're finding this very funny, I must say, Rui. I'm very upset. Say toodles.
Toodles.
Say toodles.
No, I didn't say.
Oh, you didn't say? Okay, then say whatever you want. Say bye.
Look at me.
Huh? Oh my God. I'm going to go to the gym. Bye. Yash, what are you doing? You've gone into this bag. Why have you gone into this bag? Because what?
Because Shah Rukh Khan is here.
Because Shah Rukh Khan is here, you've gone into this bag. Okay, that's lovely. And Ruhi, what are you doing?
He's playing guitar.
Wow. Can you play us something?
Yeah.
Okay, play.
Oh my God.
Wow. You're a real musician. My God. My God. And meanwhile, where have we gone? Again, we have gone inside. Why have you gone inside? Hello? Excuse me. Why have you gone inside? Huh?
And you find me.
I'll find you? Okay. Close the door. Ha! I found you. Okay, bye. Toodles.
Boring.
Okay. Yash, what were you saying? What were you saying just now?
Very boring.
Who's very boring?
Dada.
I'm very boring. But why have you said I'm boring?
Because Corona is coming.
Because Corona is coming, so I'm boring. Oh God, what is this?
Holy time.
Holy time? This is not holy, darling. This is tie-dye.
It's tie-dye and holy.
And holy. Okay, well, that's also a way of looking at it. Toodles. Okay, bye.
Bye.
But wait. Yash, Rui, you all told me also Shah Rukh Khan in my cupboard. Where is he? Please tell me. Please tell me. I have never seen Shah Rukh Khan in my closet before. Show me where. Where is he? This is Shah Rukh Khan according to you. This is not. This is not. Yash, who is this?
Shah Rukh Khan.
This is who?
Shah Rukh Khan.
This is not Shah Rukh Khan, darling. Why do you say this is Shah Rukh Khan?
This is Dada.
No, Baba, this is Dada. Shah Rukh Khan and Dada are one in heart and spirit, but this is not Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, now what is happening? Please, can you all, I beg of you, leave my clothes alone. You all have really destroyed them and ruined my reputation. Leave my closet. Come on. Bye. Toodles. Okay, I get it. Okay. Oh, okay. Are you reprimanding me? All right, bye. I'm sorry. Yash, what is this?
Jacket.
It's a jacket. Do you like this jacket? Wow, this is a Versace jacket. It looks like a little bit of a blanket here, but it is a jacket. Are you enjoying this jacket at all?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Contrary to what you've been saying about my other clothes, I'm glad you're enjoying this. Ruhi, what?
I want to go outside.
Are you fed up of Dada's closet?
No.
Then why do you want to go outside? Again, there's no need to laugh. Hello. Okay, we get the point. You find this closet funny.
Thank you.
Oh my God, they're adjusting each other's hair. All right. Okay. All right. This was just a general hello. Say everybody, say go Corona.
Go Corona.
Lovely. Where wardrobe diaries continue. Oh my God, what do we have here? Ruhi, what are you feeling?
No, my Gucci.
Oh God, but why?
It's so shiny.
It's so shiny. Yash, what do you think? Again? You're really laughing at Dada. I'm very upset. I'm sulking. Toodles.
Children.
Hello, what is this, Rui?
The girls' clothes.
This is not a girl's. This is not girls' clothes. This is Dada wore for Filmfare Awards. And what is this? What is this? Why are you laughing at Dada's clothes? Oh God. Okay. I suppose I have to reassess my fashion choices. Rui, anything you'd like to say?
No.
Okay. Toodles.
Children.
Wow, Yash, you like Dada's shoes? Oh, why? Why don't you like them?
Daddy, Ruby.
They're Ruhi's shoes.
This is not my shoe. This is your shoe.
Yes, this is my shoe, but he thinks they are your shoes. Okay. All right.
Yum.
Okay. Wow, Ruhi, Yash, we are in Dada's closet. Ruhi, you like Dada's clothes?
No.
You don't like Dada's clothes? Yash, what should Dada wear then?
Simple cloth.
Huh?
Simple cloth. Simple cloth.
Simple clothes Dada should wear. Ruhi, hello. What are you doing? Ah, high tea, eating. Yes, of course you are. Where is Yash?
I'm going to do susu.
He's gone to do susu. Oh, okay. All right. We won't disturb him. You're having high tea with Mama. Oh my God, Mama, you're all ready for this high tea, all bejeweled and all.
This is the highlight of our day.
Oh God, having high tea with your bachas.
Yeah.
And you're all bejeweled. And so is Ruhi. Ruhi, who got you this hairband?
Dada.
Ah, well, obviously, because I get my love for diamonds from my Sindhi mother. Mama, what do you have to say about you being...
Well, it's a plus point.
Oh, yes, it is. It is my better half, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
And what do you have to say about your beautiful Sindhi lineage?
Well, I think we are one of the best communities in the world.
Okay, lovely. Say toodles.
Today.
Okay. Yash, how sad these corona times are. Who do you think will take it away? Who do you think how do you think this corona can leave our lives?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Huh?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan can take this away?
Yes.
Okay. I'm so stumped by that. So should I call Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and request him to do that?
No.
Then how will he take it away? I'll have to request him. Should I say Yash wants this coronavirus to go away and can you please help Mr. Amitabh Bachchan? I'm going to call him.
Huh.
Okay.
No, come. Amitabh Bachchan not come in my room.
Amitabh Bachchan's not coming to your room? Well, okay.
Talk to Mama.
Don't talk to Mama, but talk to Dad.
Yash, are you sulking with Mama? Huh? Are you sulking with Mama? Why is he sulking with you?
Because I said not to touch my hair.
But why are you being so protective about your hair? And why are you looking like a 16-year-old with his hairband? Some kind of a crisis we're going through?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah? Ruhi,
Yeah.
you like Mama's hair?
No.
Well, my thoughts exactly. Toodles. Yash, now that I've trained you about the coronavirus, what would you like to say about it?
Very bad.
It is very bad. And what are you doing about it?
Playing.
You're playing? That's what you're doing to fight the coronavirus? Well, I suppose everyone has their own ways. Yash, good evening. Good evening. Hello.
Sunny.
Sunny? It's hardly a sunny day. It's rather gloomy these days. But tell me, have you heard of the coronavirus? Have you heard of the coronavirus?
No.
You haven't heard? What is this acrobat you're doing? Tell us.
I'm Tadu. I had a Peppa Pig.
You've heard of Peppa Pig?
Oh.
Well, that's a little different from what we're all going through right now, which is the coronavirus. You've heard. And what have you heard of?
George.
George? You've heard of George and you've heard of Peppa Pig. Clearly, you're not keeping up with international affairs. We have to do something about that.
Are you sleeping?
Wow, what a work of art, Ruhi. Are you enjoying painting?
No.
Oh, then why are you painting?
Every day she had to go and repeat.
Yash, exactly what have you made?
Mama, I want to
Scooter.
That's a scooter? I'm not quite sure. That looks like a scooter, but okay, if you insist. Ruhi, any other? Oh my God. This is a lamp? Is this a lamp?
Yeah.
What colors are you using?
Pink.
That is not pink, darling. That is like a red. Okay, that was a perplexed expression that she gave me. You're wearing pink. That's a beautiful pink. This is red. And these colors are a mishmash of God knows what. Yash, any words to everyone staring at this video from you? Say something, Yash. Hello. Oh, an art.